Hello friends, get ready for progressive dictation. Okay, start. Apart from education, other thrust areas of welfare of the scheduled castes in Punjab are environmental improvement, sanitation and employment. The scheme for elimination of manual scavenging and rehabilitation of scavengers would receive high priority. The Punjab Scheduled Castes Land Development and Finance Corporation would be strengthened in order to provide better self-employment opportunities to the scheduled castes. Para. There are no scheduled tribes in Punjab. We have referred to the central government the cases of the Vimukt Jatis with the recommendation that they be notified as scheduled tribes. I would request the Union Welfare Minister to look into this case and expedite the decision. Para. The backward classes constitute about 12% of the population of the state. We have recently increased the percentage of reservation in the direct recruitment for the backward classes from 5% to 12%. Backward classes of Punjab constitute a valuable human resource and their skills are in great demand even in the foreign countries. In today's rapidly evolving technology and the liberalized economic environment, we would ensure that these skills are improved with the best technical and managerial education so that the backward classes fully contribute to the nation's economic progress, not only as skilled workers but also as managers and entrepreneurs. Para. The state government is committed to provide social security for the welfare of the needy persons. Pension at the rate of rupees 200 per month is being given to the widows, the old, the disabled persons and the dependent children. We are also committed to remove the gender bias from the state. Accordingly, an action plan for the women has been formulated. The girl child is being provided social security through an insurance cover under Kanya Jagrit Jyoti scheme, which is already under implementation. Indira Mahila Yojana scheme at the district level shall also ensure better coordination and convergence of various programs which are aimed at ensuring development of skills and provision of education and employment to all. Para. Problems of urban housing and urban development cannot be solved by the state government alone. There is need to promote greater participation of the private sector, non-governmental agencies and community organizations, along with private investment for the financing and growth of urban infrastructure. While it may be sufficient to provide adequate infrastructure for the middle and high income groups, it shall be essential to construct houses for the economically weaker sectors of society by the state government and its agencies. Para. During the 9th 5-year plan 1997-2002, main thrust would be on construction of houses for economically weaker sections in all district headquarter towns of Punjab. There are roughly 50,000 yellow card holders living below the poverty line in these towns, and it is proposed to construct houses for this target group in a phased manner. Besides, Punjab Urban Development Authority proposes to allot 50 square yards plots at subsidized price to economically weaker sections of society in the state. During the 9th plan, government shall continue its active steps for the environmental improvement and upgradation of quality of life in the urban slums. Stop. If you like this dictation, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.